gases. Learning objectives. To understand states of matter, dissolving solids in water, changing states of matter. To find out what is melting and freezing. How does water dissolve in everything? How do solids dissolve in water? Let's begin. All things around us are made up of matter. Matter has mass and it occupies space. Even the air we take in and the water which we drink are matter. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Our body is also made up of matter. States of matter. There are 3 different states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids. The particles in solids do not have free space in between them. They are closely packed, so they cannot move around. This is the reason solids have a fixed shape, size, and volume. But we can change the shape of some solids with the help of force. Like if we press a quilt, sponge in the quilt will change the shape upon compressing. Therefore, solids cannot flow but can change shape of application of force. Liquids. Liquids have a fixed volume but they do not have a fixed shape. Particles in liquids are not close to each other, so they can move around a little. Therefore, liquids can flow and take the shape of the container they are poured into. Gases. The particles of gases can easily move in any direction. The particles in gases are loosely packed. They neither have fixed shape nor fixed volume. They can flow and can also be easily compressed. It occupies all the available space in a container. Now we will see the difference between the properties of solids, liquids, and gases. Solids. Liquids. Gases. They have fixed shape and volume. They have fixed volume but no fixed shape. They have neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. The particles have very less space. The particles have more space to move around. Space is more than in liquids and solids. They cannot flow. They can flow from higher to lower level. They can flow in any direction. Changing states of matter. Activity 13.2. Aim: to observe the change in the state of matter from liquid to solid and solid to gas. Materials required: a saucepan, some ice cubes, a burner. Procedure: 1. Take some ice cubes in a pan. 2. Start heating. 3. Observe the changes taking place. Observation. 1. You will observe that ice has melted and has changed into water. 2. You will also observe that liquid has turned into vapor. Conclusion. It is clear that matter can change from one state to another. Change in states of matter. The particles of matter move freely and leave their fixed position when they get heated. Upon heating, the particles change their state, solids melt and turn into liquid. This process is called melting. This liquid can be cooled and changed into solid. This is called freezing. Upon heating a liquid, till a specific point of time, the particles move so far from each other that they change into gaseous state. This process is called evaporation. When gas changes its state into liquid on contact with a cold surface, it is called condensation. Dissolving solids in water. Activity 13.3. Aim: to find out how solids dissolve in liquids. Materials required: a glass of water, a spoonful of sugar. Procedure. 1. Take a glass of water. 2. Mix a spoonful of sugar and stir it. 3. When you stir for some time, what will you see? Observation. We will observe that sugar has started disappearing. Conclusion. It happened because sugar has dissolved in the water. The solid that dissolves in a liquid is called solute. Water is called a universal solvent as everything dissolves in it. There are some solids that dissolve in liquids. The liquid in which a solid dissolves is called solvent. After dissolving the solute in the solvent, a liquid is obtained. This liquid is called a solution.